Most people get this wrong. They assume secured credit cards are only for people with poor credit. But the Truist Enjoy Cash secured credit card can be a smart tool for building or rebuilding credit responsibly. Today, it'll give you an honest review. The Truist Enjoy Cash secured card requires a refundable cash deposit, which typically sets your credit limit. This deposit protects the bank while allowing you to use the card like a regular credit card. Unlike unsecured cards, approval is more accessible even if you have a limited credit history. One of the biggest benefits is credit building. Truist reports to all three major credit bureaus, which helps improve your credit score over time if you make payments on time. Most people overlook how important consistent reporting is. It can make the difference between rebuilding credit slowly or quickly. The card also includes features like online account management, alerts, and access to Truist's mobile app. These tools make it easier to track spending and ensure you don't miss payments. The surprising truth is that, unlike many secured cards, the Truist Enjoy card offers a path to upgrade to an unsecured card. If you maintain responsible usage, you could move to a traditional credit card, giving you a higher limit and more perks. Fees are minimal, and the interest rate is competitive for a secured card. However, as with any credit card, carrying a balance will incur interest, so paying in full each month is crucial to maximize benefits. In conclusion, the Truist Enjoy Cash secured credit card is a reliable option for anyone looking to establish or rebuild credit. It's simple, safe, and comes with tools to help manage your financial progress. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to build credit responsibly.